Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative strategies for optimizing operations and slashing waste, the Lean Production Framework. In this video, I'll walk you through what Lean Production is, why it's such a game changer, and how you can harness its principles to streamline your processes and boost overall efficiency. Let's start with the basics. Lean production is a systematic approach originally developed from the Toyota production system, aimed at delivering maximum value to customers while using the fewest resources possible. At its core, lean production is about eliminating waste, continuously refining processes, and cultivating a culture of improvement. Whether you're in manufacturing, service industries, or even software development, the lean methodology can revolutionize the way you work. So, what exactly is lean production? Picture your entire workflow as a series of interconnected steps. In each of these steps, there's potential to add value for your customer, but there's also the risk of inefficiencies or waste. Lean production helps you identify those non-value-adding activities so that you can remove them, allowing your business to operate more smoothly and effectively. It's not just a set of tools, it's a mindset that encourages constant evaluation and improvement. There are 5 core principles that drive lean production. Identify value. This first step is about understanding what your customer truly values. Value is defined by what the customer is willing to pay for, so it's crucial to pinpoint the activities in your process that directly contribute to that value. Map the value stream. Once you know what adds value, you need to map out every step involved in delivering your product or service. This value stream mapping allows you to visualize your entire process, highlighting areas where waste, such as excess inventory, unnecessary motion, or overproduction, creeps in. Create flow. With a clear picture of your process, the next goal is to ensure that work moves smoothly from one step to the next. Creating flow means reorganizing processes to eliminate interruptions, delays, or bottlenecks, so that each operation links seamlessly to the next. Establish pull. Unlike traditional production systems that push products through the line regardless of demand, lean production uses a pull system. This means that production is based on actual customer demand, helping to avoid overproduction and the accumulation of excess inventory. Seek perfection. Lean production is not a one-time project, it's a continuous journey. By always looking for opportunities to improve, you push your organization closer to operational perfection. This principle of continuous improvement, often referred to as Kaizen, encourages everyone in the company to contribute ideas for eliminating waste and refining processes. Now let's explore these principles in a bit more detail. First, identifying value requires you to step into your customer's shoes. Ask yourself, what do my customers really need? Is it speed, quality, customization, or perhaps affordability? By clearly defining value, you can better tailor your production processes to meet those needs. Next, mapping the value stream is like drawing a detailed map of your entire production process. Here you document every step, from the arrival of raw materials to the final delivery of your product. This process is critical because it shines a light on inefficiencies you might have overlooked. For instance, you might discover that a certain approval step is causing delays, or that excessive inventory is tying up valuable resources. Creating flow is all about removing those interruptions. Imagine an assembly line where each station waits for the previous one to finish. Even a small delay can cause a ripple effect, leading to a significant slowdown. By re-engineering your process to promote uninterrupted flow, you ensure that every part of your operation works harmoniously, drastically reducing lead times and costs. Establishing a pull system is another revolutionary concept within lean production. Rather than producing goods in anticipation of demand, you only create what's needed when it's needed. This approach not only reduces waste from unsold inventory, but also allows you to be more responsive to customer needs. In today's fast-paced market, flexibility is key, and a pull system empowers you to adjust quickly to changing demands. The final principle, seeking perfection, embodies the idea that there is always room for improvement. This is where the lean production framework becomes a powerful catalyst for innovation. By regularly reviewing your processes, You can identify small, incremental changes that add up to substantial improvements over time. It's a collaborative effort. When everyone in the organization is involved in the improvement process, you create a dynamic environment where excellence is the norm. To bring this to life, let's consider a real-world example. Imagine a company that manufactures consumer electronics. By implementing lean production, they start by mapping their entire production process. They quickly notice that certain steps, such as quality checks and inventory handling, are taking more time than they should. The company then restructures these steps, ensuring that each task flows smoothly into the next. They switch to a pull-based system so production is driven directly by customer orders rather than forecasts. As a result, not only do they cut down on excess inventory, but they also boost customer satisfaction by delivering products faster and with higher quality. The benefits of adopting lean production are substantial. Organizations that implement lean methodologies often see reduced operating costs, improved product quality, faster turnaround times, and a more motivated workforce. Employees become active participants in the improvement process, empowered to suggest changes that can save time and resources. This collaborative culture not only enhances productivity, but also drives innovation across the board. Of course, no system is without its challenges. Implementing lean production requires a significant cultural shift within your organization. It demands strong leadership and a willingness to critically assess every part of your process. There's also the risk of overemphasizing efficiency at the expense of employee well-being, so it's important to strike a balance. The key is to integrate lean production with other strategic tools, ensuring that quantitative data supports qualitative insights for a well-rounded approach. So how do you get started with lean production in your business? Here are a few quick tips. Start small. Focus on one process or department before rolling out lean production company-wide. This allows you to test your ideas and refine your approach. Use value stream mapping. Document your entire workflow to pinpoint areas where waste is occurring. Involve your team. Encourage employees from all levels to contribute ideas. Their first-hand experience can reveal inefficiencies that might not be visible from a managerial perspective. Monitor and adjust. Lean production is all about continuous improvement. Regularly review your processes and be open to making adjustments as needed. In conclusion, the lean production framework is a powerful methodology for anyone looking to create more efficient, responsive, and customer-focused operations. By identifying value, mapping your processes, creating flow, establishing a pull system, and always striving for perfection, you set your business up for long-term success. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or technology, the principles of lean production can help you reduce waste, cut costs, and deliver outstanding value to your customers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments about how you plan to implement lean production in your organization. Until next time, keep innovating and remember, efficiency is a journey, not a destination. Visit our website at toolthinker.com to discover how framework thinking can empower your business, career, and personal growth.